You want to know how to make money with AI agents? Well, I've done that, so I want to share with you how I've done it. So, first of all, what is an AI agent? It seems like some people have different ideas what that is. So, to me, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Quen, Grok 3 that's just come out, Google AI Studio. Now, these to me are not agents, these are assistants, right? So these are where you can go and say, hey, I want to learn how to do this, or can you compile this data for me? Okay, they're assistants, right? We're talking about agents, and I looked up a definition of agent earlier, an AI agent, and that is AI that can interact, reason, okay, and make decisions for us. So where does that come in useful? Now, that for me, that is mind-blowing that now an AI agent can do the things that I would do, normally building an online business, probably about 80, 90% as well as I can do it. And in some cases, probably a lot better. So if you want to see the AI agent that's made me an income, okay, and my business partner, Eric, then I'm going to share with you where it is. So what I want you to do is go to a website called getyouraisidehustle.com. Getyouraisidehustle.com. And I'll bring it up on the screen now so we can have a look. Okay, so you'll go to a page where you put your name and email in, and it'll bring you here. Okay, so you'll be able to see the follow-up that you get, and then down here you can read the page, you can watch the videos, but we're talking about AI agents here, right? And this here is where it is. So you can click that button there. And now we have this agent that can make decisions and reason
Hello, my name is David. Thanks for connecting with me.
and talk to
May
us.
I have your first name, please?
Hi, David. My name is Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul. What's on your mind today?
I want to
Are you
know
curious
how,
about...
yeah, I want to know how an AI agent such as yourself can help people make money.
Great question, Paul. As an AI agent, I can help you by guiding you through the Power Lead system, which automates the process of generating leads and following up with them. Here's how it works. 1. The system helps you attract potential customers interested in your offer. 2. I handle the initial follow-ups through calls, texts, and emails, keeping leads engaged 24/7. 3. When leads are ready to make a decision, our skilled live professionals step in to assist with closing
Okay, that's
sales.
interesting. So with the Power Lead system, even though that you as an AI agent can do a lot of the work for us, you still have the ability for a prospect to speak to a human, one of the people at Power Lead system, right?
Absolutely, Paul. The Power Lead system seamlessly integrates AI and live professionals, while I handle the initial engagement when it's time to close the deal. Our skilled live professionals step in to answer questions and help finalize the sale. This
Okay,
combination of
that's
AI
awesome. So
efficiency and human touch.
we've got people watching this on YouTube and maybe social media. What would you say to them the main benefit of having an AI agent is?
The main benefit of having an AI agent like me is efficiency. I can engage with your leads 24/7, providing immediate responses and follow-ups, which most people struggle with. This means you won't miss out on potential customers because of time constraints or forgetting to follow up. Plus, it frees you up to focus on other aspects of your business or even enjoy your personal life while the system works for you.
That's great, David. Thanks for your time. Bye for now. So I'll end the call there. So you can see what AI can do, especially an AI agent. Try saying that when you've had a few drinks. So get your aisidehustle.com and go and speak to the AI assistant for yourself, the AI agent, sorry, not assistant, right? So let me also close out. I don't believe that an AI agent can make money for you unless you have a good offer, right? Unless you can get people to speak to the AI agent, right? So bear that in mind, guys, right? We're not at the point yet where you can just go to AI, hey, go and make me a load of money, and it does it. But I think we're getting there. Go and speak to David now. Anyway, get your aisidehustle.com and enjoy. Speak to you later.